Sometimes in my videos, I like to go to cemeteries and graveyards. I like to go to the ones that stand out to me. Now, in the past, I used to make videos where I would put a plaque on certain graves. I do not do that anymore because I felt bad for all the other graves I didn't put a plaque on. And also, as a disclaimer, I have got some pretty bad comments in the past going through graveyards. Well, today, starting now, well, actually the last grave we did the other day, I'm going to get the tombstones, but I'm going to do my best not to get names unless they're famous or there's a story behind it or whatever. See, what Angie and I like to do is we like to go to graveyards because we find them beautiful. So guys, today we are at Wright's Corner Cemetery. Let's get this video going, man. As you can see, going right up here, it is absolutely gorgeous. Totally amazing. It's not a big cemetery, but just big enough. And there's my wife, doing what she does best, taking pictures. Now I'm going to be videotaping the things that stick out to me, all right? And I'm not on my gimbal today. I got it ready and it was having issues. So I'm sure the next time I go to use the gimbal, it will be fine. At least I hope it will be. But guys, let's walk around and let's investigate. I see something right now. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I have an idea. This is definitely a grave. I'm guessing they just built the brick wall around it. Now this, if I accidentally get the names on it, I don't think that will matter, but just in case, to make everybody happy, we'll stand back a little bit. But look how unique this is. Yeah, that's what it is. You can see right between there, this is all solid. So they built this on top of the ground, on top of the bricks, and it looks like a concrete structure underneath there. There's an old grave right yonder there too. Oh wow, look at this place. Let's continue on. Angie just informed me most of these tombstones are from the early 1800s. And that's what we like. We like old graveyards. Now Angie, stop for a minute, hon. She got our daughter and a friend of our daughter's graduation pictures here.
Big tree that they stood by is gone.
Was that tree right here?
No, it was that one up there by the sign.
Oh, okay. Oh, this tombstone looked like it fell in on itself. Oh, wow. This may be sad to some people, and yes, it's sad to me, but maybe I'm morbid. I find, as long as it wasn't vandalism, I find beauty in this. I know that sounds wrong. Now this right here, I'm not going to walk on it, but see, showing tombstones like this, I think will be okay. Look how beautiful they are. This is concrete, ain't it?
Yeah, it's just a platform.
Oh, it's just a platform, so okay, I guess it is okay to walk on.
At one time.
Oh wow, look at this. There's been a lot of vandalism up here, I noticed. Holy smokes, I thought the tomb, oh, we're gonna go over there in a minute. I thought the graveyard in Greendale was destroyed. Hold it, honey, there's one rolling right on the ground there.
See that?
Now that is sad. The vandalism has been done up here. I don't know when. We're gonna get this on the way back. But the tombstones that are laying on the ground, been here so long on the ground, nature's taken over. But I noticed this right here. This is beautiful right here. Oh my Lord, this is beautiful. Sad, but beautiful. Oh wow, look at this. This is very sad. You can see this right here is a piece of a tombstone. And oh my gosh. I guess the way the trees are sticking out and the way the trees are, it's just adding to me it's adding the beauty. Oh wow, maybe I'll be able to get a thumbnail shot here. This might be my thumbnail, I don't know. I think Angie should be in this one. All right, let's continue on. I'll get you in another one here in a little bit, hon, because I want to see what's right around this corner here. As we was coming in, I was getting a shot over there. I noticed something over here and I couldn't really make it out, but we're going to find out now. Oh, okay. What I seen was this dead tree laying down. Okay, okay. I thought it was more tombstones. Hey, you can smell the the evergreen. You can smell the evergreen here real strong. And it goes, we're pretty much almost at the end of the graveyard. And right next to me here is a very old tombstone right there. But it looks like it has a mixture of really old ones and some new ones right over there. We're not going to get them, but we're going to walk straight ahead and get this old one right up here. Another broken one right here. That is so sad. Another broken one right there. Right there. And this one right up here. This one. Holy smokes. Let's go up to this one right here. My gosh. Ah, I can see it kind of leaning. So I don't know if this was vandalism or just natural. See, I'm doing the videos that interest me. I kind of done that anyway for the past going on 13 years, but what Angie and I like to do, a lot of times, you guys may not know this, but we go through cemeteries and graveyards a lot. I guess we're unique people. I find peace and beauty in graveyards and cemeteries. Maybe I'm weird. Even this old tree stump I find fascinating. Holy smokes. Okay, we're gonna hold the camera up, and pretty much what you see, that's it, guys. Let's go all the way up with it. I pretty much was thinking, and my Apple Watch is going off, should I go ahead and just get some shots of tombstones on the way out of here, put some guitar music with it, but I'm not going to today. When I see tombstones that jump out to me, then I'm just going to talk about them and show them, okay? I hope my voice is coming through, especially when I have the camera turned around. Because recently I just changed the mod over to stereo. But yeah, can you tell how sweaty I am? It is like 90-some degrees out here. With the humidity on top of that, it's well over 100 degrees out here. And of course I'm wearing black. Now, personally, I will wear black every single day. I would. But being outdoors like I am, lighter colors are more better in the heat. Now, over towards this way, which I'm not going to show, is some newer graves. We're not going to get them. Yeah, as you can tell, I'm after the old graves. So we do. We walk through cemeteries. And we're going to go over yonder here. I don't think I got these yet. I can't remember. Did I get them? Oh, shucks. We'll do it anyway. But as you can tell, this is what we like to do. We like to get old graveyards, and we visit lots of them, folks. I just haven't got a lot on video, but I'm going to now. And no, that's not what my channel's about if you're brand new to my channel. No. I get anything. Because adventure's a venture to us. We could be fishing, hiking, looking at graveyards, looking at historical house, historical bridges. Whatever Angie and I love to do. All right, let's get over here because I don't know if I got this one or not. Oh, a tree's growing up right next to this one right here. Let's walk around it real slow. I don't think I got this old grave yet. And then you got the ones right over there. And then you got these right here. Holy smokes. Oh my gosh. I got these when I first got in, but I do have a question. Let me show you. Now these things coming up out of the ground have a hook in them, and it goes all the way around. It makes me wonder, at one time, was there a rope going around this? And if there was a rope, why? I can't tell. It looks to be they was 3 tombstones here at one time, maybe more. But as you can tell, it's all rubble now. But yeah, it looks like they might have been a chain or a rope going all the way around. Huh. Let me show this to Angie real quick and I'll be back. It could be that the graves here, like the ones right here, is so old, it's settled, and then they fell apart. It could be there was no vandalism at all. But wow, I'm gonna show you a really, really old grave right here. It's okay because it's so old, even if it was to make out the writing, I can't even tell the date, 18 something. I think it might be 1800s. Let me show you. Born 1800s, I think passed away 1860. I can't tell, but I'm gonna head over here. Are them old graves or new graves, dear? 1920s. 1920s. Okay, we'll get these on a. We'll stand back on these. And you got some other ones right over yonder there. Then you got these couple up here. I think I got them on the way down. But guys, this is what we do on our adventures. We go to places that excite us, you know. And today, it's a cemetery or a graveyard. I still don't know what the heck you would call it. Yeah, I don't think I got these on this side because when we came in, we walked on that side. So I'll get a few more graves on the way out, and then we'll probably close the video out. You can't even read the writing on that one. And no, I'm not the type of person who will put a piece of paper over it and you know what I mean. I'm not that type of person, no. No. You can't read the name, you can't read the name. Wow. There's quite a few tombstones on this one. And then we got some old ones right over yonder here. Holy smokes. Something else, isn't it? I love the color of this one right here. It's ivory. 1880 to 1881. Oh my God. 1880, 1881. This was a baby. Oh, that is so sad. Oh, that is so sad. I'm gonna head to the Define, I guess. What I think about when I go through old cemeteries, like the one we're in now, I think about when these people were laid to rest. I think about their loved ones, what life was like back then. And it being that far back, you know they came here in horse and buggy. Or they came here on horses. They didn't have the cars that we have today. Back then, no. But I wonder what life was like. You know, what was... how can I say this without sounding totally morbid? I just wonder what things, you know, it was a different time. A sad time, obviously, if you're paying your respects to the loved ones or you're burying them. But I do wonder what it was like back when some of these people were put to rest. What did it look like back then? Well, guys, this is it, man. This will be it for Wright's Corner Cemetery. Yeah, cemetery. I had a look. But guys, this is it right here, man. And there will be other cemeteries and graveyards we will get when we think they're good enough to put on video. But guys, leave your comments down there if you like this type of videos, which this ain't only we do on our channel. We do all kinds of adventures, but hit that like button. That helps my channel grow. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. That also helps my channel grow. Until next time, guys, come on, let's get out of here. And I'm gonna walk down this and try not to break my neck. And we'll catch you next time on our next adventure. And it could be anything. But guys, Wright Cemetery, a forgotten graveyard. Of course, I did see a couple up-to-date graves in there, but yet a forgotten graveyard, but not forgotten today. Come on, let's get out of here.